Ryan got the tough assignment today. We sent him out to the beach in Scarborough, but there is an important message out there, Ryan.
Yeah, Amanda and Bailey, the weather this weekend is going to be very inviting for people to come down to the beach. It'll be a great weekend to hang out by the water. But you just have to be aware that Hurricane Erin, which is now considered post-tropical, has really churned up the ocean. And this is not something that's unusual. It often happens maybe every other year, if not every year. But it's more common in September and October. This is a bit early for such a strong hurricane to have formed. Now you can see on the satellite it's swirling well to our east at this point and starting to move away. It's considered post-tropical because it's no longer a true hurricane. It's more like a nor'easter or mid-latitude storm. At one point today, though, it was about 450 miles off to our east-southeast. Now it's continuing to move away, but it has churned up the ocean in a big way. Some of our near-shore buoys reporting some 7 to 8 footers off the southern Maine coast right now. And I actually think that the biggest waves in southern Maine will probably come early tomorrow morning. That's when we may get some of those 9 or 10 footers to roll in for a brief time. And it's worth noting this will come at the same time as high tide, which is midday tomorrow. So the combination of the tide being in, the waves being rough, and rip currents being a concern, you do want to take care and be careful late tomorrow morning into the early afternoon. And then as we head into the day on Sunday, the waves should subside considerably as the storm pulls away. But one thing to always remember, in the wake of these storms, the rip currents can continue, and that will be a concern at the beaches through the weekend. So a high surf advisory is up through tomorrow. There is also going to be some localized beach erosion. Fortunately, I haven't seen much of that here at Higgins, though. Some of the more exposed places that could see some of that. Beautiful day out there today. It's 76 in Portland, 80 degrees in Waterville and Bangor. The air is still nice and dry, and it'll be a really nice Friday evening to be out and enjoying the weather. Temperatures through the night will be dropping gradually into the 50s. By tomorrow morning, most of us are sunny. Could be a few extra clouds with an isolated shower up over Aroostook County. Otherwise, it's a sunny and warm day tomorrow with high temperatures right around 80 degrees. The only difference tomorrow compared to today will be the fact that the wind gets a little bit gustier, especially in the afternoon. We may have some gusts that start topping 20 miles per hour along the coastline tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow night, the air turns a little bit more humid, so Sunday morning we actually have a milder start to the day. We'll have temperatures Sunday morning that'll be in the 60s for many of us. These past several mornings we've been waking up to 40s and 50s, so Sunday morning will feel milder. It's a muggier day overall with high temperatures on Sunday between 75 and 80. There could be a spot shower in the mountains and up north on Sunday, but almost everywhere else we're expecting dry weather. And again, if you're thinking of going to the beach, I think Sunday is probably your safer day to go in the water, but some rip currents may still persist as the ocean is just so churned up in the wake of Erin. Marine forecast sees 6 to 10 feet, a southerly wind that will get a bit more gusty tomorrow afternoon. And on top of the high surf advisory, which is in effect for the coast, there is a small craft advisory up on the water through the weekend. So here's a look at your inland 7-day forecast. Low 80s for both tomorrow and Sunday. Again, tomorrow's comfortable. Sunday's a little bit more humid. The only chance for rain in this forecast is with a front on Monday. Scattered showers and storms. I think the best chance for rain on Monday will be inland and farther north. Storms will probably be more scattered closer to the coast. And then after that, we get another beautiful stretch for the middle of next week. High pressure from Canada, low humidity, highs in the 70s. So have a good weekend. Just be safe if you're heading out here to the beach, and be smart. Back to you.
Ryan, next time we go, we have to keep a close eye on the water. I think we should just set up shop. All of us go out there.
Oh yeah,
it looks
we'll all
so
bring a
nice.
beach chair.
Thank you.